Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Signal Hill local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right reliable long-distance moving solutions to help make your moves so much easier. Selecting our team to help you means your cross-country relocation is going to go smoothly. The best moving services make all the difference, and our experts provide just what you require for your upcoming relocation. We take care of all the important moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the expense. However, following a close look at the key benefits of working with a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. The time savings you get can easily make using the services of a moving company one of the best choices you've made. Movers can also make sure you don't need to stress over injury, since you will not have to do any heavy lifting. When you hire our movers, you get professionals ready to make your local moves super simple. When moving with a local company, like 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined process for moving day. It doesn't matter how big your move is, we can easily get it done fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Signal Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.